I want to welcome you to setting up the SmartApp banner with the App Wizard Studio platform. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to log in. We're going to come over and we are going to create a widget. Click on Widgets, Add Widget. And we're just going to name this whatever name that you want to put in there so that you can keep up with it and you understand and know exactly which widget it is that goes to which app. So I'm going to name this Paint Widget, and you'll see in just a moment why. We'll hit Continue. We got the internal name here. Now, what website is this? And we need to come over and we need to pull the URL for the website that this banner is going to be on. And we are going to pull this URL right here. This will be the app that the banner will be placed on. And when you come over here for URL for Android mobile devices, for iOS mobile devices, for Windows mobile devices, you can actually come in and you can put in multiple URLs, different URLs to do different things. If you're doing a download for an app or something like that, you would want to put a different URL in for iOS, for Android, for Windows. But for this instance, we want the same URL for each one of the devices. So what we will do, we will go into the app and we will pull the URL for the page that we want to use. For this instance, we're going to use a coupon, and we're going to use it for each one of the devices here. Let's go over to where the web app is. We'll go into Edit Web App. We will come down, we will right-click on the coupon right here that we had created to pull the link off. We will go back to the dashboard, and we will place this page in each one of these devices. We will place the entire URL. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put a title that will be displayed on the banner. Get 10% off, interior painting. And these will fall right underneath each other, and you will see that in just a moment. Good, through 12/31/2017. Call to action button. Click here. We're going to choose an icon that will be actually on the banner. We're going to choose the file. Days to hide banner if user closes banner with the X. What you can do here is you can, if you wanted to pop open 3 days from now after that particular app closes it down, we're going to leave these at zeros. Days to hide banner if a call to action button is clicked. Enter number of days visitor will not see banner if they click the button. If they click the button, you may want to put 2 or 3 days here again, but we're going to leave it at 0. We're going to save the widget. The widget is now saved. We will come over and we will go to Widgets. Remember, we named this Paint Widget, and we will click View. Click on the eyeball, and you can see here, get 10% off interior painting, good through 12/31/2017. They can click here to see the coupon. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come over and we are going to pull the JavaScript. So it's the third button over, the little brackets with the backward slash. Just open that up, pull the JavaScript, copy the JavaScript. We are going to come over to Settings, come down to Third-Party Code, paste the code, click Save. Now we're going to show you what it looks like on the phone. And we will open the link in the phone, and you can see the banner come up, get 10% off, interior painting good through 12/31/2017. Now you can see here that this is a little bit long, so you would want to go back in and you would want to adjust that, and you can click here and you can see it goes right to get 10% off interior painting. Coupon expires December 31st, and you can see that the banner disappeared. If we go back home and the banner comes back up. Now if we would have set this to where it didn't come up for 2 or 3 days, or whatever the instance would have been that you would have set those two particular features, then that would not have come back up. And or if they X out of it. If they X out of it and or they click here, will trigger one of those instances. And you can see it immediately goes right to the coupon or whichever app page you would have placed in that area. X out of the copy code, and now you can see that you've got your widget here. If you want to go in and edit the widget, just simply come over to the Edit button, which is the first button. And for instance here, if I wanted to shorten that, I could shorten it, and we can come in and test it. And we can see here that interior painting good through 12/31/2017. Now let's go back over to the phone and we'll see what that looks like. And you can see when you go back now, it has moved the text information below there so you don't have anything being hidden. Get 10% off interior painting good through 12/31/2017. This is a very, very versatile little banner that you can do so many things with. You can drive them to sign-ups. You can drive them to coupons. You can drive them for more information. It is just so versatile to be able to use on your apps. And that's how easy it is to set up. If you have any questions, just email me or send me a message on Facebook Messenger. Thanks, and have a great day.